Good news, we are making lunch. Well, it's good news for me. I'm starving. I've been up since 4 a.m. I had a modeling job and the call time was 5 a.m. 5 a.m. Okay. And it was from 5 till 10, so it was only 5 hours. Now it is 11:37 and I am starving. And I'm going to make tacos, little chipotle turkey tacos. That's what I'm thinking. Tomatoes, onion. I love snacking while I cook. So yeah, I'm snacking on these and then I'll be ready to eat. It's so good. I love this. I have my tomatoes and onions, and I'm gonna cook these, and then I'm gonna add the turkey. Take these tortillas, and I just go directly on the flame, and then I just flip it. Okay, so I think they are done. Just like a little bit. Taking some of this sauce. Then we add some lettuce. I can't do anything right. As I'm filming my little tacos, camera dies. Of course it dies. Why? Because I didn't charge it. Why wouldn't I think to charge it before I started the video? And now I'm too hungry to wait for it to charge. We're on my iPhone. Literally can't do anything right. Anyways, I have my tacos. I also have more of this sauce, some carrots, because that is just a good combination. And here are my little bitchin' tacos. I really sort of loaded these guys, but I think I made this up. Literally, I'm calling it bitchin' tacos. Here we go. Turkey, cooked onions and tomatoes. The sauce, some lettuce, easy, simple, should be filling. I'm gonna shut up and eat this. Wow, outstanding. When I got the sauce, I was like, I need to put this on frickin' everything. This is fantastic. I love these. Wow. Yeah, this is incredible. I'm so happy. This is just everything I could ever want. Anyways, thanks for having lunch with me. I hope you have a great, beautiful day. Subscribe if you want. I'm not sure what you'll see on here. Mostly modeling stuff or stuff related to modeling and wellness and I don't know, but that was my video and yeah, okay, I'm gonna finish these, bye.